So here is how to schedule an email in Outlook. For this video, I'll be using the Outlook web interface because sometimes the option may not be available on the app. So once you're in the Outlook website, this is exactly what it will look like. From here, click on the New Mail option. Once you're here, in the To section, you need to put in the email of the receiver. So I'll just type in something as an example. After that, you can add a subject of your email. Then just type in or paste in the contents of your email. Once it's done, click on the drop-down option beside the Send button. And as you can see, we have the option to send, schedule send, and start mail merge. We will select schedule send. After that, select the date and time. You can also click on the custom time option in order to customize the time that you want to send the email. So go through the options and set your desired time. And once done, just click on Send. The email has now been scheduled. And if you go over to the Drafts option, you'll be able to view your scheduled email. And that's it. That is exactly how to schedule an email in Outlook.